Hello guys, welcome to Ramta MathSci Exam Clinic. In today's logarithms, we are expressing as the log of a single number 2 plus log 5. So what we are going to do before we proceed, we're going to determine what our calculator gives when we press this on our calculator. So it will be 2 log 5 base 10, right? 2 plus log 5 base 10. Let's see what it gives us. Our calculator give us 2,699. All right, 2,699. That's fine. So now let me guide you as to what you need to do here. Do you see the base of this log is 10? And this one here, this constant doesn't have a log, isn't it? It doesn't have a log. So what do you do? In order for this to remain as 2, let's see. The base of this log is 10. So we need to make this one, or rather we need to give this one a log with a base of 10. But to make it 1, it must be log 10 base 10, isn't it? It must be log 10 base 10. Remember, log 10 base 10 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. You guys got it? Right. Perfect. Plus log 5 base 10, isn't it? Plus log 5 base 10. As you can see, the bases of these logs are the same. We are headed somewhere. Now let's see. This then becomes, this then becomes log 10 squared base 10 plus log 5 base 10. What is 10 squared? It is 100, right? It is 100. So this becomes log 100 base 10 plus log 5 base 10, isn't it? And we know now that the bases are the same, we can use the rule that says log m, plus log n is the same as log m times n, right? We can use that rule, right? Because the bases are the same. So this will then become log, open bracket, 100 times 5, isn't it? 100 times 5 base 10. Now 100 times 5 is 500. So this will become log 500 base 10. Now let's see if log 500 base 10 will give us that answer that we had previously, which was 2,699. Let's see now. Clear? We said log what? Log 500 base 10. Let's see. Indeed, it's giving us 2,699. Do you guys see this? 2,699. That's the one that we got. And this is how you work with logs. All right, guys? This is it. Bye-bye.